This is a 36-inch light bar by, what's it by?
eyourlife.
eyourlife.
Off eBay. Correct though?
Amazon. Amazon.
Amazon.
And I bought it to put on my 2005 F250.
This honker.
And we bought it
To put on the brush
on the
guard.
brush guard.
This is how.
First we drilled holes in the front bar.
The pre-cut ones were kind of bad.
So we drilled holes, and we're gonna put the brush guard in the holes and screw them in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And
Right
these
there.
handy dandy mounts came with
Those
them.
little mounts came with the brush guard light bar. We're gonna
And they
put
just
them
go 1, 2, 3, honky tonk.
in. That
Look
was,
how nice that's gonna look. Hey YouTubers, this is our mounted 36-inch light bar for our 2005 F250. This bracket was a pain in the booty. And there's these tiny little screws up at the top that we had to screw in to hold the angle at where we wanted it. So yeah, looks pretty nice. Bad Ford emblem. Zeke Thorpe doing some wiring, finishing that up. Soon we'll have a video of it lit and us with our awesome reaction. It'll be great. Finally finished that light bar. Time for a little test. And negative 20-degree weather right now. Whoa! That is a bright one. It works. Woo! Woo! Easy as 1, 2, 3, honky tonk. Woo! Woo! That is so dang bright.
oh my god.
Now look at that light bar.
Oh, it's really cold out here.
Oh gosh. We're gonna end on that. Easy as that. 1, 2, 3, honky tonk. This is our test of the lights that we just put on the F250. This is just the running lights. This is the 4 lights that we got from Advanced Auto Parts. This is just regular lights. The high beams. And the LED light bar. Yee! Oh yeah. It's a little slippery.